This will be repair work on my trailer. First, rust removal and welding, repacking and installing new bearings. And this video is about projects around the house, fill-in videos, and future Jeep videos. And I've talked a lot in the past about what's coming up on the Jeep, but I have work around the house that I am going to have to concentrate on, and one of them is my trailer. It's falling apart. And I thought this trailer would be a good job to practice my welding on, because I've got to practice. If I can get my welding technique back, there's a lot of projects I can use this new electric welder on. Here you see new fenders I've got to weld the backboard in because the ones on there are rusting away. Also, I purchased this new portable welding table off of Amazon for about $75 with tax.
Yes, Nancy's been doing some projects around the house too. She's doing some painting. She's doing some painting. She's doing the white trim on her home and adding some white trim to some of the windows. Yes, the white trim on the inside is new. And she touched up above too on the trim. And she also did the backyard, the windows in the back. That's all she does is work. If she can't find something else in the house, she's out here working. Isn't that right, baby? See, the windows upstairs have a white trim around the frame, but the ones on the bottom didn't. Alright, that's another project that's being worked on. And there's my welder again. And I ordered me a welding cart so I can tow the welder around instead of carrying it around. There's my table folded up, put away. See, the way it folds, you can get it in the tight spots. I got so much junk in my garage now. I'm running out of room. Really already run out of room. I'm hoping I can sell that thing and get me at least a third of my garage back. But anyway, I got so many projects that are coming out of my ears. And I still got lots of work on my Jeep. Maybe I need to hire somebody to help me out. I did get Nancy a pair of overhauls or coveralls to help me on the Jeep, but she won't put them on, so I guess that's out. And anyway, any of y'all out there in YouTube land is interested in buying a real good ultralight, let me know. Just put it in the comments. I'll find it because I don't get that many views and comments out.
There it is. 24 years of service, and proud of it. And I would do it again if given that chance. Always.